Welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. I joined a collaboration, Hot Girls Summer, week number 5. I had to check my calendar because I wasn't sure where we are with our weeks. This is a 6-week collaboration. I will link all the ladies that are participating. Also, I will link the Ko-Fi shop where you can get all the freebies, as well as the playlist for all the songs that we chose for inspiration. Today, I am going to stuff 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Once again, I reached my goal. I'm so excited about it. I have one more week to try to come up with 20 bucks to work on completing some more of these savings challenges for this collaboration. It's been so much fun, but with my financial state, you know, I have to be mindful. And one of the things I decided to do was I made adjustments to my savings challenges, right? Because I decided to do all 10 at once, but also I made sure to give myself some grace by saying, hey, if I don't finish him, it's okay. I'm just going to try to bring $20 to my desk for these challenges every week. So that's what I've been able to do so far. And I'm so truly grateful. Thank God. Because I get discouraged so easily. I really do. But this go around, things have been coming together for me. So I'm just going to keep going with it. All of the ladies, like I said, that are participating, I will link them down below. There are 10 ladies, 10 savings challenges plus. There's more savings challenges than what I'm doing, but I chose a savings challenge from each of the ladies to take care of my savings goals. All right, so we need to get some change here. I know my last savings challenge has it. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I wanted to get this $15 so we can get our players cards dealt out. 1 second. Now we've got our cash, our change squared away. Last week I completed 2 saving challenges, which I'm very proud of myself. So I'm going to go ahead and pat myself on the back. Very, very excited to see some saving challenges being completed. Hopefully I can complete a few more today. My goal is to stuff as much as I can, and I'll unstuff it at the end and count it all up. If I finish all of them, that would be fantastic. If not, it's not a big deal. But let's go ahead and distribute these players cards. These players cards you can find in S&C Budget Creations Etsy shop, linked down below. Some of these have a skip or double, and then also misfortune. So otherwise, each savings challenge is getting 1 card, unless it requires a second card. So let's see, we should have 8 in total today. Yes, we do. And that's because the last 2 we completed already. See what we can get done today. All right, $1, $1, $1, $1, $2, $2. Okay, so this is a misfortune. Flip again and add $2. We have a problem, don't we? 1, 2. This one only requires $2 to be completed, so we're not adding another card. Yes! Okay. $1, $2, $2. Okay. Now let's see here. $1. And let's see, $2. I really like the players cards because they're such low numbers. Skip or double. We're going to double that $1 into 2. There are other players cards, higher amounts, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are also other like whammy cards to make your savings a little bit harder. So this one was the one we completed. Okay, let's see here. And this one's completed as well. Ooh, okay, we have $3. What are we going to do here? Because what if it's a misfortune? You know what? I think we might do, I don't know what to do. I'm nervous if I flip it. You know what? Okay, let's just see. See if it's fortune. So $2, flip again. Okay, please be a 1. Please be a 1. Please be a 1. Oh, okay, skip or double. I think I'm gonna have to skip it because even if I pull another card, that's $1. That's 3 total, plus to make it a skip or a double. Yep, skipping it. All right, and I don't know what to do. I don't like the idea of every single time if it's a skip or a double or a misfortune or something like that. I'm not that brave. Let's see. We have one more card. $1. Okay, so there's $2 left. I'm not going to go any further with these players cards. These $2, we're going to have to figure this part out. We're going to have to work through our situation here. I guess I could just put it to the last savings challenge. Well, how about this? I'm going to check and see if any more of my savings challenges are close to being completed, and then we will go from there. How about that? Yes. Deal. This savings challenge is made by Make Money, Save Money. We're adding $2 today. 1 and 2. In total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. So this one's getting pretty close as well. Go in there, cash. All right, and this savings challenge was made by Budget with Taylor. She is the host of this collaboration. We're adding $3 today. 1, 2, 3. All right, and it looks like it needs $3 more, and then it'll be completed. Today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. All right, and this savings challenge I made by Salenthia Budgets, and we're adding $3 today. 1, 2, 3. Just kidding. We're going to take $1 more and complete this savings challenge. Week number 5 completed. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we completed one, and we saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. All right. Yes. Good job, me. And to say completed savings challenges, I'll just like to move to the back so I don't continue on trying to work on them. Oh yes, here we go. We're adding $2 to this savings challenge. Oh yes, $2. It just needs 2. From Hustle and Flows Co. 1 and 2. This savings challenge is completed. Week number 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 here. Fantastic. Okay, so that's 2 savings challenges. And I think we had one more, didn't we? I think we did. I'm pretty sure it's this one. All right, and we're adding $2 here to this savings challenge made by Income Babes. All right, and let's see. Yes, 1 and 2. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 here. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Yes. That's 3 savings challenges completed in week number 5, which is fantastic. I love to see it. This savings challenge is from Simply Tea Plans. I think we're going to go ahead and add this other $1, so we're adding 2. 1 and 2. All right, in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. This savings challenge is from Hot Beauty Budgets. We're adding $3. All right, so let's see here. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, you guys. I thought this only needed 3. It needs $4. Should I add $1 more? No. No, because I have $1 in my purse, but I'm not going to do that. We'll come back to this one, and it should be completed by next week, so that's what we'll do. Let's count it up, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. Perfect. All right, and our last savings challenge is from I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. We'll go ahead and add $2 here. 1 and 2. And we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh my goodness, $3, and this savings challenge will be completed. Yes. Okay, amazing progress being made. Love to see it. I'm very excited about it. So with this collaboration and all of these savings challenges, I'm not certain what my game plan is, what I'm going to do with this cash. I was actually just thinking about going to get a pedicure because I haven't been stuffing my self-care envelope to take care of myself. So that's what my plan is. Whatever I save here, I'm going to go get a pedicure and, you know, just do something special for me. That's where I'm at with this. I was thinking about hanging on to it for my birthday, but I have some other plans in place for that. All right, week number 5 completed. I'm so excited. We did complete a few more savings challenges this week, which progress. Oh my goodness. So exciting. That means there was a couple more that could be completed by next week. So with the final week coming, I do want to say thanks to all the ladies for having me participate in this savings challenge collaboration with you. It's been amazing. Especially this journey can get a little bit lonely, but when you support each other and you're on a path of figuring out your life and you're doing it all together and uplifting each other and supporting each other, it does make it fun. It does make it enjoyable. So I'm grateful for each and every one of you. I do truly appreciate the audience for coming back to watch. You guys grab the freebies from Budget with Taylor's Ko-Fi shop, which, like I said, I will link it down below. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.